Factoring polynomials by grouping. We try to factor problems with 4 terms using a method called grouping. So we have 4 terms. We're going to split the problem into 2 groups. And then from each group, we will try to find a GCF. So from our first group, we do have a common factor. We have an x squared that's common. So we will take that out. Then to get back there, let's see what's missing. So we have x squared, we want x cubed, we're missing an x. For the next term, we're missing a plus 7. Then we'll leave that piece and go to the other group. In this group, we have a common factor of 3. So we'll take that out. And then to get back there, we're missing an x plus 7. What we hope happened with our factoring is that we ended up with a common binomial for our GCF using the whole problem. And we did. So now we will take out the x plus 7 for our GCF. And then to get back just to the line above, for the first piece, we're missing the x squared. And for the second, we have the x plus 7. We're missing the plus 3. If you want to check, a FOIL multiplying the 2 binomials will get you all the way back to the original. Let's look at another problem. So we're going to factor, and we have 4 terms. That's our clue to try grouping. So we're going to make 2 groups. And from our first group, we can take a 2 and a t squared. And then to get back there, we're missing a 4t. We have the entire piece for the second part, but we have to multiply by something. So we'll multiply by a positive 1. Then we'll look at the second group. We can take out a 3. And to get back there, we're missing a 4t plus 1. Then we'll look at the whole problem. And what we hope happened is that we ended up with a common binomial, which we did. So now this is the GCF for the whole problem. We'll take it out. And to get back just to the line above, we're missing a 2t squared plus 3. Let's look at one last example. We're going to factor. We have 4 terms, so we'll try the grouping. So we'll make our groups. From the first group, we can take out a 3, x squared. And to get back there, we're missing x minus 2. For the second group, we don't have anything in common. If you look close, it almost matches our group that we have, our parentheses. The only thing different is the signs. We can make that match by factoring out a negative 1. So we'll take out a negative 1. And that will leave us an x minus 2. Double check just this piece. So multiply back. Negative 1 times x, negative x, and negative 1 times negative 2 gives you back a positive 2. Then we look, and we do have the common binomial. That was our goal. So we can take it out. X minus 2. And to get back there, we're missing 3x squared minus 1. Your clue on this problem that you might have needed to take out a negative GCF, on the third term, it starts out with negative. Remember when we did GCF, if on the first term of something it's negative, we normally take out a negative GCF? Well, that's your clue here.